So back on my series about, when is the best time to sell? One of those questions that I'm getting all of the time, especially in what people are calling this crazy market where we have super low inventory. And a lot of times it's when is the best time to sell so that I can get the most money? And my answer is always, it depends, right? So I'm going to ask questions like, do you have another place to live? Or could you find a short-term rental if we sold your house really quickly? Is this a vacation home, a second home, an investment home? In which case, it doesn't matter whether we sell quickly or whether we hold on to it for a little while. So we talk through all of those questions, and that helps me to answer you when's the best time to sell quickly for the most money. The best time to sell also depends on the condition of your home. So I like to walk through your house. I'm going to make suggestions on repairs or updates, little things that can maximize your profits. So sometimes these can be as simple as, hey, you need some new flooring in this room, or maybe some carpet, maybe a fresh coat of paint. We might want to declutter or stage your home, rearrange some furniture. Or maybe I might find something more significant that I noticed that would really hinder the sale, and we want to talk about getting that repaired before we go to market. So once we've aligned on those items, then we're going to talk about, the approach that we take. And sometimes we like to do a coming soon approach, or maybe some extra marketing, really drum up that excitement about coming to your house and coming in through a showing. And, with inventory where it is right now, it really is a great time to sell. And it's a great time to get a market analysis and maybe an opinion, and just to have that conversation. And we always offer these free of charge. There's zero obligation to work with us. And as always, we take your personal situation into consideration, and everything that we recommend is going to be based on your unique needs. If nothing else, we just come in, have a chat with you, get to meet you, and enjoy that conversation, and appreciate your time. So if you're looking to sell and maximize your profits, the answer is it depends.